Hello my flourishing friends, another video. And it is an unboxing video. Yeah, I know the box looks a bit odd, but yeah, it's raining currently, so I think it's seen some rain. Yeah, first of all, I hope you all are doing well and the good news from last video sank in a bit. So yeah, in today's video we're gonna do another unboxing of Lievelingspost. This month's theme is DIY, which I deeply adore. I'm so curious because it feels kind of heavy, the package. And oh yeah, I have to show you this. I think it's so adorable. You're the best. I know, right? So let's open it up. Ta-da! There we go. Already love the lemon paper. By the way, I love everything lemon. Cake, drinks, whatever. So that's cute. You have here a little card and something like, yeah, it looks like you can craft your own cube or something. Really nice. Yeah, I'm gonna read this in the quiet now, because like I already said earlier in the video, translating is still really difficult for me. So yeah, there we go. Nice Emma. Hi Emma. Says that yeah, in this month box she put everything really in the name of DIY, including the card, so it's really to craft yourself a little box, but also that she put a little sweet treat in there or something so you can treat yourself in between of all of the DIY projects. I'm really curious. You are so loved, I know, by all of you guys. If you agree, hit the like button. Okay, that's what we have. Let's start with the lemony package. More to read. Oh, okay. So, oh, this is actually really cold. I just pulled it out of the mailbox. We have here some clay, and in here it says our dried flowers. And with the clay you can craft something and model something where you can put dried flowers in and then use it as a decorative item. I saw it on her Instagram that she experimented with it and it looked really cool. So let's see. Ooh. Be careful, Lisa. I'm gonna leave them in the paper, I guess. But this is what we got. Try to turn it around. Look how pretty. Oh, I love those. See if I can put it to the camera. Wow. So pretty. I love it. I'm gonna see what I'm gonna craft with it. So nice and so colorful. Awesome. And the clay. It's really flexible. Okay, let's go for the zebra one. Oh, I know my sister-in-law is gonna love this paper. Okay, so it has a little note around it. What this actually is an envelope, and then this handcrafted paper, which, oh, yeah, those handcrafted paper sheets, which have flower seeds in them. So those little things you see here are flower seeds, and it says you can write on that and or print even on it. or nice, you can also put it in some soil underground in your garden and keep it moist, and then the flowers at one point are gonna bloom. So it's really recyclable paper. I love it. That's awesome. Okay, let's go for the little one here. You know what I really like? In this month's box, everything has a little note. And actually, when I send out packages to my pen pals with gifts for Christmas or their birthday, I love to do that as well, because it really gives a nice personal touch to items. So when you cannot be there yourself to explain like, oh, I bought you this because of this and that, then at least the note can it's the dog in the background. Then at least the note can explain what you thought and what the intentions are. Ooh. Oh wow, I always wanted to do that. This is a little kit, so it came with this block metal aluminium thingy where you usually find those little candles in it, and a little wooden plate with the logo on it. It's a little DIY kit to make your own mini soap, and it's with lavender, and it smells even through the bag, and I love lavender. Oh wow, this is so cool. I'm so gonna make this. I never made soap before, but lately I look a lot into doing those things by myself, making more skincare products and stuff. Actually also on purpose for the channel. So yeah, we can already try a bit. That's cool. Oh look, it's for me. Interesting. That's funny. So this is what we had in there. Nice. So what this is a DIY kit to make your own iced tea. And this one is kiwi pineapple berry, which is an awesome, nice, summery mix. And then we have 2 of those reusable ice cubes and a little cocktail stir thing to fancy it up. Oh, this is cool. This is nice. And I like the packaging, really looks nice. And big excuses if you hear weird background noises. But the dog is sleeping right there next to me. And yeah, she's really deep sleeping. So if you hear her snore, I'm really sorry, but she was so relaxed when I started filming, I didn't want to wake her up. To the next one. And a little love note again. Okay, so what we have here is a little cord and a charm and a little bottle, which is so adorable. And this is a DIY kit to make your own nice, cute necklace. I love it. And I already know I'm not gonna keep this one for myself after I crafted it. I'm gonna gift it to somebody. The thing that says you're golden or the thing that is actually golden? Let's go for the actual gold one, which is really heavy. Wow. By the way, I love gold. It's a nice color, but I think I already mentioned it. We have here 2 packages of sugar and butter. Oh, I know where this is going. DIY caramel popcorn. How cool is that? And it even comes in one of those, with one of those thingies where you can put the popcorn in to give it the real feel. This is awesome. I didn't make popcorn like this in ages. I know as a teenager I adore popcorn so much. For one birthday I've got a popcorn maker, and I think until I moved to Holland I still owned it and made popcorn at least once a week. So this is really, really, really nice. It's such a cute idea, everything in miniature. You can really get me with miniature items. Work with me! By the way, this fits totally my outfit today. Okay, I saw pens, or better said pencils. There we go. 2 and the little heart washi. Oh, that's adorable. Yeah, I guess this is a DIY postcard, and it says the view from your window. Yeah, okay. Actually, I need a lot of green for that, but this is nice. Oh, this is so cute. Perfect for pen paling again. And last but not least, like usual, the biggest package last. Oh, and before I open that one, I want to say in the last box was a bingo card. Sadly, I didn't win, but congratulations to all of the people that won. That's quite a lot of stuff. We have here some, how do you call this? I don't know. Something made out of wool and a ring. DIY wall hanger. Oh wow. I don't know if you can see it. It's a whole side of instructions, and it's supposed to, I'm messing everything up on the table now. It's supposed to look like this when you're done with it. We gotta see about it. It looks really, really cool. Yeah, so that was everything that was in this month's box. Let me put everything back in the picture real quick. Okay, this is all we got in this month's box. I'm so satisfied with this. awesome. This weekend we for sure gonna have some popcorn and some iced tea. And I can write some letters. Yeah, wow. I'm so excited. It was again a treat like each month. But of course, the theme DIY was really down my road. And I'm so excited to get crafting and trying out things. And so yeah, if you wanna try and get yourself a Lievelingspost, I know the next one for next month is already on sale right now. And yeah, I really can recommend it. It's a treat each month. I'm already looking forward to the next one. I hope you enjoyed the video. I look really forward to the next one. Yeah, if you like this video and this unboxing, then please hit the like button. If you would like to join the Flourishing family, please subscribe. I would love to see the Flourishing family grow and grow and grow. The more the merrier, right? Yeah, thanks again for watching, and all I have to say is, with a lot of love, happy smiles and hugs, your Lisa.